Hello everyone, welcome to Rave Data. In this video, I will show you how you can extract information from PDF files and export it as a CSV. I will take a sample case study to build the motivation behind this exercise so that you can appreciate the outcome. So let's start. So an insurance company wants to digitize their legacy data. Most of the data are captured in the form of text which is available as PDF. The company wants to extract information and then export the required information in the form of CSV so that it can be loaded to the database easily. So let's see how the PDF file looks. So this is a sample PDF file we'll be using for our tutorial. So you can see that this is a text-based PDF. When you can select the text in a PDF file, then it is a text-based PDF. Otherwise, it will be a scanned PDF, right? So in this PDF, so we want to extract some information, and all the insurance documents for this particular insurance company will be of the same format. So if we want to extract information from similar kind of PDF that can be of in hundreds of numbers or thousands in numbers, so we can write a generalized code and then we can automate this whole process. So for this tutorial purpose, we want to extract master policy number, certificate number, and GST number. Please note that we can extract all the information from this PDF file. It is possible, including the tabular data here. But for this tutorial purpose, I'll be using these three fields only. So let's move back to our Jupyter notebook. So this whole process will consist of three steps. The first step will be converting the PDF files into a text format. And once we get a text string, we have to search for our information we want to extract, like master policy number, certificate number, GST number. So once we extract the text from PDF files, the next step will be to extract information using a regular expression. And the third step will be of reformatting the data in form of a data frame and then exporting it as a CSV. So the first step is converting PDF to text. There are many packages available in Python like pdfminer.6 or PyPDF, or for OCR there are several packages that convert even scan-based PDFs into text. But for this tutorial, I am using PyPDF2. So I have given the link. You can install PyPDF2 from the link given in Jupyter Notebook. So using PyPDF to extracting the text is very easy. We can extract using PyPDF2 PDF file reader object, and then using extract text function we can extract the text. So let's run it, and we have given the path of the PDF file, and we are removing that new line character so that the extracted text looks clean. So this is our extracted text from PDF to text, right? So our first step is finished. We have extracted the text from the PDF file. The next step is we want to extract the GST number, master policy number, and certificate number. So let's copy this text, and I'll be using the pythix.org website to build our uh, regular expression. So in this particular example, you see that the master policy number is always preceded by this text, master policy number. So what we have defined our regular expression is that our number will be always preceded by master policy number followed by 0 or more spaces. /s means space, and in small parenthesis whatever we have included is our group. So you can see here the group is shown here. In pythix.org you can see the cheat sheet also, how can you frame the different regular expressions. So you see that for extracting master policy number, I have framed this regular expression. By practicing, you can make your own regular expressions easily. And for certificate number, I have defined this regular expression. So you see that we have match 1 is certificate number. Similarly, for GST number, we have this regular expression. So by practicing different text string, you can make expertise in regular expressions and build your own regular expressions very easily. So we have now the regular expression of all the 3 fields we want to extract. Then I have written one function, get info from text, in which I am extracting the group 1. Whatever we have included in a small parenthesis is a group 1. So we have this function, and using this function, get info from text, we are passing the text string and regular expressions, and it is returning us the requisite information. So you see that by building regular expression in a text string, we have extracted master policy number, certificate number, and GST number. Now that we have all this data, we have to make a data frame out of it. So we have imported pandas and then created an empty data frame with master policy number, certificate number, and GST number as the column. And then we have inserted that data into our data frame. So this is how our final data frame looks like. And if you see the CSV file, it comes out like this. So in this particular example, we had only one PDF file, but we can have 100. If we have 100 of PDF file of the same format, we can run this same code in a for loop, and then the policy details CSV will have 100 rows in it, and then from that CSV file we can load a database. I will give the link of this Jupyter notebook in the video description details, and let's summarize the process again. In this case study, we have taken a PDF file, and from PDF file we converted PDF file to text using PyPDF2, and then using regular expression we extracted master policy number, certificate number, and GST number, and then using pandas we converted our details into a data frame, and then we exported it. So if you have any doubt regarding this example, you can always write to me. And if you like this video, please share among with your friends, and do subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any update from us. Thank you.